Shifting our focus back to the Assam mine mishap, the body of another miner has been recovered from the Rat Hole coal mine in Assam's Dima Hasao district, taking the death toll to now 4. Rescue operations by the Army, Navy and NDRF continue on day 6. Few miners still remain trapped and efforts to rescue them are underway. Listen in to the reactions coming in. And forgive me, we're going straight to our colleague Ratnadeep Chaudhary, who is giving us more updates on it. Ratnadeep, take us through the latest update. What is the update on the rescue operation that is ongoing?
That's right, with the receding of water level inside the main shaft of the coal mine, where since Monday at least 9 miners were trapped after water filled inside the mine, not only in the main shaft but in all the rat holes. There are numerous rat holes there, and from this morning there have been at least 3 bodies which have been recovered and taking the death toll now to 4. In the morning, 1 body was recovered which was identified, that of 27-year-old Ligan Magar, and then 2 more bodies were recovered. They have not been identified as yet, even as Army and NDRF divers are trying to look for more bodies, and if miraculously there are survivors, then they would look for them as well. Now the focus remains to dewater the mine. Already there were most advanced pumps which were brought from Maharashtra, but those pumps are still not operational. They are being installed, and the calibration is being done to operationalize them so that the water can be pumped out, and then there can be a thorough search of the rat holes. Remember, these rat holes run in parallelly in the ground for several feet, so it is unclear exactly where the miners are. But now with the water level coming down, it seems that the bodies are one by one floating into the main pit, and that's where the 3 bodies have been recovered to date. So the total death toll is at 4. Remember, the state government has already registered a case. Investigation is taking place. 2 people have been arrested so far in connection to this case. However, this comes at a time when the main opposition party in the state, the Congress, had actually labelled allegations against the government and accused the government of trying to do a cover-up on this incident that has taken place, alleging the government of not being able to handle the issue of illegal coal mining. In fact, Congress MP from Assam, Gaurav Gogoi, has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi asking for an SIT probe into this incident. However, the Chief Minister clearly said that this is not the time to do politics over a tragedy. He's claimed that these mines were not completely legal but abandoned mines which were abandoned 12 years back by the Assam Mineral Development Corporation. However, he did say that of late few people might have tried to carry out illegal mining, and therefore the case has been registered, but the focus remains in terms of the rescue or search operation which continues there.